Hello Algebra 1 students, we are in Unit 3, Tier 1, Lesson 3b, transforming absolute value functions with an equation vertically. So let's check off our booklet. This is Lesson 3b from Tier 1, absolute value functions, vertical equation. The absolute value parent function on the graph at the right, not left, sorry, made a mistake, is noted by the equation f of x equals the absolute value of x. Now remember, f of x can also say y, but I want to use function notation. And remember, the 5 key points from the parent function are 0, 0 at the origin, and then moving right, 1, 1, and then the second one to the right is 2, 2, and then moving left we have -1, 1, and then the second one to the left is -2, 2, and that is, let me zoom in here, that is these 5 points right here. The absolute value function f of x equals the absolute value of x plus 2 has been shifted or translated up 2 units with every key point. And if we look at these points, we have this point, which is 0, 2. We have this point, which is 1, 3. We have this point, which is 2, 4. We have this point, which is -1, 3. And we have this point, which is -2, 4. The absolute value function f of x equals the absolute value of x minus 2 has been shifted or translated down 2 units with every key point. And if we go up here and examine it, we have this point here, which is going to be 0, -2. We have this point here, which is going to be 1, -1. We have this point here, which is going to be 2, 0. We have this point here, which is going to be -1, -1. And we have this point here, which is going to be -2, 0. And if we examine these 5 key points from both these translations, we notice again with vertical translations, all of the x values match. However, all of the y values change. So if a function, absolute value function, is translated up, like it is in the red, the y values go up higher from the parent function. If an absolute value function is transferred down, translated or shifted down, like in the blue function, then the y values go down in value from what the parent function is. Good luck on your practice sets.